Inshallah.
So, Mr. Sultan, thank you for allowing me. So, thank you for giving me a chance to
You are
talk
welcome.
with you.
No problem.
So, basically, I'm a learner. I'm learning a language. I wanted to improve my English, so that's why I'm here with you.
Okay.
Even
So
I
how
have
long
a,
have you been learning?
I'm learning so long. I've been learning so long. I don't know how
Okay.
long, from how long I'm learning. I didn't count yet, but gradually, slowly.
Inshallah, you will achieve your goals
Thank you.
because there is a saying, slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah, definitely.
So yes.
So, Mr. Sultan, are you a teacher? Because of you speak very well, exactly the way you the person talk. You are talking absolutely fantastic. So, you are a
Thank
teacher
you
or what?
very much. Thank you very much for your appreciation. Yes, I am a teacher and
Uh,
I'm teaching in Saudi Arabia.
uh, what do you teach? English or any different language?
No, the same subject, English.
Yeah, that's why you are very perfect in this
No,
language.
consider self perfect.
No, look, as my perspective, you are perfect. At your point, you are perfect. So I was considering how a person can speak very well. You are very well, but you didn't mention in your video that you are a teacher. I haven't heard that from you. I didn't see that in your video. You are telling someone that I am a teacher. I teach English.
Okay, in the beginning, when I posted my videos, in those
Mm-hmm.
videos, I always introduced myself. But
Uh,
nowadays, whatever I post, I skip
uh,
that part because it is very repetitive.
yeah,
And
yeah.
those people who are watching my videos, they will get bored. That why is he
Mm-hmm.
saying the same thing again and again? But I mentioned in some of my videos that I'm a teacher and I'm working here in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, that's a very nice point. It's I learned a new thing that yeah, it's good thing that we are keeping the point that people not get bored from our speeches.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Uh, I also came across your channel. I mean,
Mm,
I watched one of your video almost 1 month ago, I think, and
mm.
you were talking about your profession that you drive car, maybe in Uber or something like that.
No, Mr. Sultan, I drive auto rickshaw, tuk tuk.
Okay, okay. Yes, I think you mentioned that you drive auto rickshaw. Yes.
Yes, yes. You put another. It's a three wheeler, but you add another wheel, so that's why you confuse. I confused.
Okay,
Yeah, there is a wheel. There is a wheel, but it's a spare wheel, not in a running wheel. It's
okay,
a spare wheel.
okay, okay. I wish I wish you will be promoted and you will buy a car of your own and you will drive that
Inshallah,
car.
I'm trying to, I'm trying to enhance my life to get, prosperity, to get prosperous. How could I? I don't know how could I, but I'm learning. I'm trying my best to do something in my life, and I haven't achieved any kind of a goal yet. I don't know which way to go. It's a very difficult
No,
nowadays.
let me tell you one thing. You need to keep struggling and making effort. And
Mm,
inshallah, you know the situation and the circumstances do not remain the same. They change.
mm,
And
mm,
even in my life, I say
mm,
it with assertion because I know I have experienced it. Because
mm,
when I see myself in the past, I
mm,
also didn't have anything.
mm,
I had a very meager salary, and I
mm,
was working for just a I mean ordinary school.
mm,
But what I did, I kept struggling. I
mm.
kept improving myself, and
Mm.
you're doing the same thing, and I like it. That you need to keep improving and developing your skills every day.
Yes, although I'm developing myself, but Mr. Sultan, what happened with me from uh, from last 15 or 12 or 15 years, I'm struggling. Still, I'm struggling. I'm struggling since last past my past 15 years, but I'm still struggling. I don't know what to do. What's the new things should I apply in my life to? get to get good life, to get it whatever I want in my life. I didn't get you know I really just set a goal. I tried to set a goal, but I couldn't complete because of the money, or because of my strategy, because of my decision. Which way I'm working very hard, but the output is not, I'm not getting the proper output.
Okay, okay. But there was a time when I was also very much uncertain. I didn't
Mm,
know where am I going, what I am doing.
mm,
But the things became clearer to me with the
mm,
passage of time. And
mm,
even I didn't to be a
mm,
teacher, but it
mm,
just happened to me.
mm,
And I kept doing it. I kept making efforts, and
mm,
Alhamdulillah, I think that I am in a very good condition. Although I
mm,
sometimes think that maybe I do not deserve it, but Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, I'm
mm,
here and I mean, because this profession, that you can also improve yourself when
mm,
you are teaching others. You
mm,
are actually brushing up on your skills as well.
mm,
So, but sometimes even now, I have notions, I have thoughts that what I am doing it is not good, and I should leave this profession and job and do something or run any business. But still, I'm.
Inshallah, I'll try my best to do something in my life. And what other things going on in in Saudi Arabia? How things they open it or not? Still, you are in lockdown.
We have no curfew. We
Uh,
have no lockdown here,
uh,
and it has been 1 week or 2 weeks,
mm,
and we can go outside. Everything is open, but
uh,
we need to adhere to preventive measures. Like we have to
mm,
cover our face whenever we
yeah.
go outside, and we have to observe social distancing as well.
Mm,
So even the number of patients are increasing day by day, but still they have opened all the shops,
mm,
because you know that most of the people who are working over here are laborers,
mm,
and if the shops remain closed, so they will have a lot of difficulty.
mm.
Yes.
So thank you, Mr. Sultan. Thank you for giving me your really I privilege that you allow me to speak with you. Thank